I am Kuldeep Swami, physics teacher at Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today we will discuss about a topic equation of motion by calculus method. Our topic is equation of motion by calculus method. In calculus method, we have some quantities that let initial velocity of a body u, final velocity it will become v, initially time 0, final time t, constant acceleration a, starting point x naught, final point x. डियर स्टूडेंट, किसी भी बॉडी का जो वेलोसिटी है वो वेरी करेगा u से लेकर v तक. दूसरा अगर उसका टाइम है वो वेरी करेगा 0 से लेकर t तक, और उसका एक्सीलरेशन वो कांस्टेंट रहेगा, वो कहलाएगा a. उसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट जो ओरिजिन होगा उसको बोलेंगे x नॉट, उसका जो फाइनल पॉइंट होगा वो x एक्सिस के ऊपर कोई पॉइंट होगा तो हमने उसको क्या नाम दे दिया x. नाउ वी नो दैट एक्सीलरेशन is equal to change in velocity upon time. So A is equal to dv by dt. dv is the change in velocity and dt is the change in time. By cross multiply, dv is equal to A into dt. Taking integration on both sides, integration of dv, A is the constant quantity and the integration of dt. इसका लिमिट वेरी करेगा u से लेकर v तक और ये वेरी करेगा 0 से लेकर t तक. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dv is v. Limit u to v is equal to a constant. Integration of dt is t, limit 0 to t. Now put the limits. So upper term v minus lower terms u is equal to a. Put the limits. Upper term t, lower term g. So v minus u is equal to at. So v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion by calculus method. V is equal to u plus 8. Now for second equation. Second equation we have to prove u s is equal to ut plus half of at का स्क्वायर. Now dear student, velocity is equal to change in displacement upon time. So v is equal to ds by dt. Put v is equal to u plus at. So u plus at is equal to ds by dt. By cross multiply, ds is equal to u plus at into dt. dt multiply inside, so ds is equal to u dt plus at dt. taking integration ds limit x naught to x is equal to u constant dt 0 to t plus a constant integration of t dot dt integration of 0 to limit 0 to t. Now integration of ds s limit x naught to x is equal to u integration of dt is t limit 0 to t plus half of a इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ t डॉट dt. इस तरह के इंटीग्रेशन में सपोज कीजिए लिख रखा है t डॉट dt, एक पावर बढ़ा देना है तो t का पावर यहाँ पे 1 है, एक पावर बढ़ा दिया, बढ़ने के बाद जो पावर आती है उससे डिवाइड कर देना है तो ये किससे डिवाइड हो जाएगा 2 से, तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या आ जाएगा t स्क्वायर बाय 2. नाउ limit 0 to t. So x minus x naught is equal to u t minus 0 plus a by 2 t square minus 0. X minus x naught is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 into at का स्केल. X minus x naught put s, so s is equal to ut plus half of at का स्केल. This is the second equation of motion by calculus method. This is the second equation of motion by calculus method. Now for third equation we have to derive v square minus u square is equal to 2as for third equation. We know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time multiply and divide by ds on right side, multiply and divide by ds. So a is equal to dv by dt into ds upon ds. So a is equal to dv by ds into ds by dt. ds by dt, change in displacement upon time, is called velocity. So a is equal to dv by ds into v. By cross multiply, v dv is equal to a ds. By cross multiply, v dv is equal to a ds. Taking integration, v dv is equal to a constant integration of ds. u से लेकर v तक, x नॉट से लेकर x तक. v dv v square by 2. Limit u to v is equal to a, ds is equal to s. Limit x naught to x. Upper limit v square by 2 minus lower limit u square by 2 is equal to a into x minus x naught. So v square minus u square by 2 is equal to a into s. Put x minus x naught is equal to s. So by cross multiply, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is the third equation of motion by calculus method. Thank you everyone.